McKenna, stand up with your baby. Are you going to bring her outside, McKenna? Where's your stroller? I don't know what you're looking at. Oh, a fly in the kitchen. Yeah, there's a fly. Where's your baby? It's a fly. Yeah. You gonna bring your stroller outside? It's a fly. A bug. No, it's not Bye-bye. It's a fly. McKenna. McKenna. Do you want to say hi to Daddy?
Dad.
Say hi, Dada.
Dada.
I miss you.
Dada.
Yeah. Miss you, Daddy. Your baby fell out. McKenna. McKenna, say bye-bye to Dad. Say bye-bye, Dada.
Dada.
Bye-bye.